Good morning, students. We are discussing fundamental forces. In the last video, we have discussed gravitational force and electromagnetic force. There are 4 types of fundamental forces. So, today we will discuss strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. So, come to the point, strong nuclear force. As its name defines, nuclear force, that is, this force exists inside the nucleus. As atom is of size of angstrom, that is 10 to power minus 10 meter, and nucleus is inside the atom, that is nucleus is also smaller than atom. The size of nucleus is 10 to power minus 15 meter order, that is 1 Fermi order. Size of nucleus is of Fermi order, and the constituents of nucleus, that is the particles which are inside the nucleus, are proton and neutron, while electrons are moving around the nucleus in the orbits. Proton is positively charged while neutron is neutral. So, first point is, it is the attractive force between protons and neutrons in nucleus. That is, strong nuclear force is the attractive force. Why it is attractive only? Because as there is a vast amount of protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus. If this is a repulsive force, then stability of nucleus is not possible. But as we know, nucleus is stable, so this force should be attractive. It is charge independent. This force is charge independent, as inside the nucleus proton and neutron are present. So the force between proton-proton, neutron-neutron and proton-neutron is same. That doesn't depend on the charge of the particle. Inside the nucleus, proton and neutron are present. So we can say nucleons, these two terms, in a single term. If we say nucleons, that is proton plus neutron. Next, up to this point, we know that inside the atom nucleus is present, and inside the nucleus proton and neutron are present. But as the research is going on, nucleons are also divided into its elementary particles. Nucleons are made up of quark particles. Now, this is the strongest force and responsible for stability of nucleus. Out of the 4 forces which are fundamental, nuclear force is the strongest nuclear force, and this is also responsible for the stability of nucleus just because of its attractive behavior. This is all about the strong nuclear force. Come to the next point, weak nuclear force. As it is also present inside the nucleus, so it appears when there is a decay process inside the nucleus. Why this decay happens? When the nucleus is unstable, then that nucleus tries to come in the term of stable nuclei. So by emitting some substances from this, that nucleus can come to the stable part. So the emission will be in form of beta and gamma decay. So it appears only in certain nuclear processes like beta decay. Nucleus emits an electron and uncharged particle called neutrino. न्यूक्लियस से जब डिके होगा बीटा, तो उसके अंदर क्या क्या चीजें डिके होंगी, एमिट होंगी? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एमिट होगा और एक क्या होगा, अनचार्ज पार्टिकल न्यूट्रिनो एमिट होगा. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. हमने चारों फोर्सेज स्टडी कर लिए हैं. आफ्टर दैट अब हम इन चारों फोर्सेज को स्ट्रेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग इनको एक ऑर्डर में रखते हैं. तो जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ होती है, दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियर फोर्स. नेक्स्ट उससे कम स्ट्रेंथ होती है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स, उससे कम होती है वीक न्यूक्लियर फोर्स, while we have studied that gravitational force is the weakest force inside the nature. So this is all about the 4 fundamental forces. We will discuss conservation laws in the next class. Thank you.